Hello everyone, let us see the construction of hyperbola general method by using AutoCAD software. Now let us take f is equal to 50 mm where e will always be greater than 1, eccentricity is greater than 1 in case of general method hyperbola. Let me draw a vertical line of some infinite distance, then a horizontal which is called an axis line of, I'll take it as 50 first, then I'll extend it later. Because why we are constructing it as 50 means here the focus given is 50. That is only reason. Okay. Now this you can cross verify this length also. From here to this point it is going to be 50 mm. That way you can measure. Now this directrix can be extended up to some infinite distance. Alright. Now E is equal to 2 by 3 where it is less than 1 for ellipse and greater than 1 for hyperbola. Let me divide this line into 5 parts. We have an option or a command called div, divide this line into 5 parts. First part, second, third, fourth, fifth part. Okay, this end point, let me take a point there also. This end point acts as focus. Here I'll try to place it and I'll make it as capital F. Okay, this is focus now. Now from the focus, three parts or third division is the vertex point. Here I'll try to place vertex V. Okay, now this distance should be equivalent to the vertical distance. From the vertex, I'll draw a line of height VF distance, of height VF. Alright, so which is equal to 30. Now this end point, let me mark a point PO enter at this level also, which where I just try to name it as Control C, Control V will work out. Here I'll mark it as E. This point is E. So now I'll draw a straight line passing through the intersection of axis and the directrix, and it should come and touch the line. Alright, and further I'll try to increase the length of the axis after the focus also up to some infinite distance by turning on the ortho, which will show me a straight linear line up to some infinite distance. Now from there I will take a vertical of some infinite distance, then I'll try to extend the line. This line I would like to extend till the intersection. Okay, till now whatever we are drawing should be drawn with 2H pencil only. So let me change the color. More or less it looked like 2H pencil. Alright. Like constructions till now, whatever construction I did, I'm doing it with 2H pencil, and ultimate aim is to draw the hyperbola. Only that curve should be dark in color. Okay. So unwanted we can trim by using a command called tr double enter. Simply drag and drop. Done. Enlarge. Okay. Now from here the procedure is same again. We have to divide. After vertex point we have to divide the axis into number of divisions. Okay, this is the first one. Again, I'll take command called O, enter offset, O, enter, through, enter. Okay, now this line at a distance of 10, again this line at a distance of 10, this line also, so one by one. So I'm maintaining some equidistance. EX, double enter, just to extend all of them up to the EX. Some are not working. Select object to extend or shift select trim. Okay, let me come out of it. EX, extend, yes, this one. No, it is not highlighting, I don't know why. Let me check. Here also you find the same option, extend, and trim, extend option. Okay, I'll take this line, I can keep it in white color. Maybe it is problem with that. I'm doing it manually. Alright, this is also one of the way to extend. Simply I'm dragging it up. Again I'll try once. It's working out now. Maybe what is the reason, I don't know. I'll see later. Now the first division, I'll name it as, I'll take this one. Control C, Control V. And here 1 point. This is the second point. Focus is the third point. This fourth point. 5 and 6. Similarly, 1, this becomes 1 prime. This becomes 2 2 prime. This becomes 3 3 prime. Okay, likewise. So now I can simply double click on this. I just make it 1. I'll make it 2. I'll make it 3, 4, 5. Similarly on the top side also, for just for our understanding purpose, here also I'll try to make changes. This is 1, 2, 3. Likewise, you can make all the notations. Okay, so that is not a big deal, but you can do it easily. Now I'll concentrate on how to trace the curve. Now the first radius 1, 1 dash or 1 1, whatever we have considered for our case. Now remember, this is more important. Radiuses will keep on increase, and focus becomes the center. Center remains the same for all the radiuses. Alright, if this is the radius, select the curve, take it to the focus. Now wherever the curve intersects with 1 1, there you need to place a point. PO enter is an option or the command. This is the first point. Similarly, take the circle, to the second division. This is the second division, and extend the radius till the end point and move it back to the focus, and see where exactly it is cutting. It is cutting at almost at the extreme end point. Here is the point. There we do conventionally with the help of a compass. Similarly here also I'll do the extension. Now it is already on the focus, so there I just need to place a point PO at the intersection of the circle and the inclination. Similarly I'll shift it to the next point, which is 4. I'll increase the radius of the circle up to the extension. Then I'll just place this back to the focus. Alright, now the intersection of those two, PO and this is the point. Similarly I'll change or shift the circle to 5th point. Alright, extend the sorry, I just made a mistake, it seems. Select, escape, select, and yeah, it got shifted. And I'll extend this radius. No, there is a problem. I'll just delete this circle again and redraw from here. So there should not be a bottom line actually. By mistake, I think it is here till here. I'll draw a circle and let me color this for your understanding, any color. And from here I'll try to take it back to the focus and I'll see where exactly it is cutting. It is cutting at the top. PO, point I need to place, the intersection of both is fine. So if you look at the points that keep on moving away from the axis, and all the points are going almost tangentially with respect to the inclination. If you keep on take 10 more points or 20 more points, still you are going to get the same point pattern. So again I'll take one more, last one. Alright, and increase the radius up to the intersection and place it back to the focus, because focus always acts as the center. Okay, now let me see here, have a look. It is keep on moving away from the axis. Now let me delete this circle and see all the points. Yes, if you want you can select one by one and keep them all in one color so that it will look better. Keep them all in one color. Alright, now join them all with the help of a spline. That is one way, but before doing it, let me again select all the points and we supposed to mirror it to the other side of the axis line so that you can draw the spline properly. I'll just take an option called mirror with respect to the axis line. Yes, I want to keep the source. Again I'll take a spline. Here you find spline options. Okay, I'll directly take SPL. One, 2, 3. You have to zoom and take the intersection point. Okay, next point is the next one, and this is the vertex where exactly we'll start. Next. So simply I can join them all like this, but when you draw it conventionally it becomes a big problem because we have to join with freehand. This is how the curve looks like. Let me change the color of the curve followed by, let me change the thickness also. Okay, the curve will look something like this. Control vertex. Alright, this is how the curve look like. Hyperbola. It is like almost, it passes like a tangent to that particular line which we have drawn before. This is the construction of a parabola general method. Alright, only the line should be, the curve should be drawn with HB, all others should be drawn with 2H pencil only. Okay, I hope you understood which is the most easiest procedure. The same thing you can apply on a drawing sheet also. Okay, now this line is not required. Now it will fit into screen. This is how it look like. Okay, this is how we construct. This is all for the session. Thank you.